He said, I need a fresh plant. It's been itching you up and down, and you're always scratching or beating your head. You say, I need a fresh plant. I planted it yesterday. I am where I'm planting my hair. Today, do you want to plant your hair? Have you planted your hair? Did you plant it yesterday? I planted it yesterday. I'm planting my hair. I need a fresh plant. Your hair is your plant. I like your plant. Your plant is wonderful. Your plant is beautiful. Oh, yes. I like your plant. All right. Number 10. I don't know what came with that. Upon me. No, I don't know what came with that. Upon me. Get it before you sit down. You put a job of Putrana. You better who log out. But who you mean? Oh, you don't know. If I have another name, regular sorry. I was waiting for Papa. Screening, put a quarter say it. I want you to get up. But I'm the bag I say that there has to be. I've been indoor today. I was indoor all day. That's bad English. British English, you can sing it. I was indoors all day. Indoors, teacher from indoor. Indoors. I'll be indoors tomorrow. Indoors mean, or does that mean you will lock the door and imprison yourself? No. It means you stay home. You want to rest. You can still come out. Even go out and buy food. You are indoors. You didn't go to any official work or job. That's it. Now that was number 10. Anam no law came with that. That was number 10. Number 11 says, Mother Gaya Bateba. But where you get it? They got the beggar office in the Bible, they say out of bounds. That's Nigerian English. This place is out of bounds. But this place is out of bounds. Mother Beba. Okay, see about Mother Beba. In a river. Also, not a river. I mean, the place is out of bounds. A person, she's out of bounds. What will be correct? He will put a mother again aside. But nobody else is well. Don't go there. It is sacrosanct. Sacrosanct in a Google. Now, Jimmy, I'm all young. What happened for a baby? What I try for a baby? I am sacrosanct. Number 12. Namoro. Ola, where they will be gathered. My father has 5 decades, 3 decades. Oh, you want to make money. You want to trader. Oh, I'm going to try. Oh, I'm going to show you back correctly. Oh, Pacha. Oh, no, and 3 decades. 3 decades. Oh, they were not 3 decades. 3 decades. Not about what now. If you want 1 decade, only around 1 decade. Oh, now I have one story. A story building. You can say a story building or a storied building. The same thing you say, stay correct. I don't want to agree. I go to what I'm. I'm not going to tap here. What are you? Why are you? You're not much. You must get the data trap. I'm tired of catching. It's your cool. Okay. Okay, what the first? I don't want to draw. Oh, yeah, I okay, so look at number 12. Look at Nigerian English here. My father has 3 decades. That's bad English. British English. My father has or owns a 3-story building or a 3-story building or a 3-story building or a 3-story building. Building materials. Building. I built it. Untuk orang kasih thank you. Ganas cukup kasih kita. Ombo. Ada bombo. Oh, look at this. Hey, the way this young man speaks English. He's been in America. He's been in London. He's been there. I've not been anywhere. I haven't one poor man. One poor man. I got it. One poor man. I got it. So, takes little. Sit down. When others are sleeping, you stay awake. Learn. When you finish learning, you sleep. Then you become important. You can't be important when you're roaming the streets. You can't be important when you're actually paying. You could tell if the money, and you could tell a bank, you could tell a agency. You know, you could tell if all your bank. When you're not could have a side. Okay. What case, what can, where go to that? Yeah. What can where we got with Yahweh? You be away up with Yahweh. Yes. Ian Neshu, woman, they should be. Yeah, get another boy, I'm not a session. I should say, you go home half for you get a graphic land. Get the name of your. Oh, no, but I'm okay. You will go over your got that. For the name I would. You're a shock, you get annoying. You don't get a shock. Now, I'll come out of Christian, but it's a seven. Number 13. Every name. I live upstairs. If they be upstairs, you live upstairs. So you do it. I am going upstairs. I'm going upstairs. Correct. He went downstairs. He went downstairs. Correct. Kevin, I'm in the stairs. One, I'm in the staircase. Staircase. If you make the master, let me step on. You know, super English. I don't understand. You know, understand. Step book, not above, at top. So each one will step. I'm going back, You know, the young market where rail, that rail, banister come nowhere. Get on there, you are in the stairs, or you are in the staircase. So if everybody gets here, you could carry some again. Where is the staircase? Where is the staircase? So that's the staircase. That's in, that's out, or inlet, or outlet. Number 14. The Kenyan Bembao. Tear me a piece of paper. Tear me a piece of paper. Tear me a piece of paper. Yeah, the Haggers. British English. Tear off a piece of paper for me. Tear off a piece of paper. Tear off. Tear. Tear. And then tear off a piece of paper for me. 15 verse. But don't remember, this is very interesting. All the 20 Nigerians told that, he didn't negate. Also, we like the news, medical channels, sometimes NTA, I don't know. But all I see, the Agro University, which are university, all the 20 know what I want this word, contact. Agro in Lagos. Okay, you go to Kusi here in Lagos. Kusi in Abuja. Kusi, I want to go to Kusi. He like the Kusi, I want to create on a government, on our teacher, or no to your contact. Then you are saying, but I remember saying, contact me later. I'll contact. Okay, I will contact. Up, down, up, roll, contact, bubble, now, suprasegmental stress, or shifting stress. Idiom, it went insult, contract. But I am going to contact, I am going to contact, as a noun, contact, as a verb, contact. So I will contact you later. Correct. British English. I have contacted them. When they come, tell them to contact me. They came and they contacted me. How about again? Did they contact you? How about they contacted me. If have you contacted them? Yes, I've contacted them. That's it. You did not tell me to contact you. If you had told me to contact you, I would have contacted you. That's what it should be. He didn't tell me to contact you. If you had told me to contact you, I would have contacted you. Come on. noun. Contact with a verb. That's the way it works. Look at this note. Listen to this note. The stress part of contact is on the first syllable and should be pronounced that way, whether as a noun or as a verb. Again, later, which contains a diphthong should not be pronounced like letter, which contains a pure vowel. The inflections of the word contact, that is its past tense and past participle, are both stressed the first syllable, respectively. Number 16. I contacted them when I finished. I contacted them when I finished. No, that's bad English. British English is about saying, I contacted them when I finished. Correct. Something was it. I contacted them about it. Also, Nigerian English. I have contacted them. Sorry, I have contacted them about it. Wrong. British English. I have contacted them about it. Correct. Have you contacted them? Yes, I've contacted them. Did you contact them? Yes, I contacted them. Did you contact them? Did you contact them? I contacted them. Have you contacted them? I have contacted them. It sounds funny. It doesn't come with it. Pay attention to BBC. I am not expecting you to be perfect, but I'm expecting you to at least show that, or show some education. You spent 6 years in primary school, 6 years in secondary school, another 4 years or more in the university. Yet you cannot say, can you contact me? I have contacted you. They are contacting us. You did not contact me. If you had contacted me, I would have done it. Or, if you did not contact me, if you had contacted me, I would have contacted you. The same thing you're saying. This is very easy to understand, frankly. I don't understand why people don't want to say the right thing at the time. Come on. You make it sound like the English thing is very big. It's not. It's a language. Anybody can learn it and know it. I learned it, and I'm still learning, frankly. I'm not perfect, but I'm working. I'm working. So, on every day. Okay. Look at the series 18. After me, said, I want to bath. Nigerian English. You know how bath is. I want to bath. 1. I want to bathe. 2. Use it as a verb. I need a bath. I need a bath. I'm in the bathroom. I'm in the bathroom. Bathing. I'm in the bathroom bathing. I'm in the bathroom bathing. Well. I'm in the bathroom bathing. Well, if you choose. But bathing, the Americans use bathing a lot of times. There is some bathing, like the sun is shining. A white man comes in and lies here to stop bathing. Meaning, get some what you call tan, suntan. Meaning the sun will beat you and darken you a little bit, so you have some kind of brown color instead of a white color. That is why white people are snowy in color in winter. There's no sun, enough of it to get the suntan.